So a while back ago, I have made this map on my Minecraft server, and many of you guys are asking how did I do it. It's actually really easy, and I'm gonna show you how. So the tutorial for today will actually turn into two parts. One part is for normal one-player Minecraft world, and one part is for servers. First, we are gonna start with Minecraft worlds. If you want to go to the server tutorial, you can easily look at the timestamps by the timeline. Okay, let's get started by making a new world. Make sure that you name your world something different because we don't want to get confused during the process. For now, I'm gonna change the game mode to creative just for showing you guys. Okay, now that you're in your Minecraft world, you can easily start up by choosing the size of your map and taking some maps. The maps can vary in sizes, but it is completely your choice. I recommend going with 3x3, or else you need to go by 4x4, which will be 16 maps and it will take a lot of space. So I recommend going with 3x3. You can also go with 2x2 or 1. You can also make them rectangle size and other kind of sizes, but right now I'm going to stick with the square because it's the original size. I recommend using square as your main size. As you can see, it can be 1x1, 2x2 or 3x3. I'm going to go with 3x3. You can go as on 4x4, 5x5, but as you may guess, you need to get more files, which will be really confusing. Make sure you put item frames all across your wall. Now that you're done with your Minecraft world, you can easily close the world. Now it is for the best to already open the Word file. How you can do that? It's really easy. Open your search bar, or you can do Windows R and then run %appdata%. It was already here for me. And as you can see, it should open a folder for you just like this. Open .minecraft and open saves. As you can see here, you have a list of all of your Minecraft worlds. This is the world that I created. And as you can see, you are in Minecraft file. Okay, now go back to your Minecraft world and make 9 maps. The amount of maps varies by the size that you take. I took 3x3, so I need to make 9 maps. Okay, as you can see, I just made 9 maps. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm sorry, 7 and 8 because we already have 0. Okay, now you need to be careful of what the subtitles are because you will need them later on in the video. So these are the normal maps that we have right now. If you place them over here, as you can see, you'll have the normal world map. But we don't want that. How you can change it? It's really easy. Make sure that you close the world and exit out of Minecraft. Now you need a picture in order to take for your Minecraft map. I'm using this one for example. It's a square shape, so it will help a lot. If you want to see how you can find square shapes, type something that you want to search, go to images, go to tools, size, and icon. This will bring up all square images for you. Now that you are done with that, make sure that you download the image and go to Map Art Craft. I will leave the link of this site down in the description. Go ahead and upload your picture to the site, and as you can see, it will find out the size for you and it will generate the schematic for you. But you don't want the schematic, so go ahead and change the mode to data file. And then choose the nearest version to your game. I'm using 1.17, so 1.17.1 will do. Map size, I use 3x3. If you remember, it depends on the wall that you made. For me, it was a 3x3 wall, so I'm gonna stick with 3x3. Make sure that you have better color on and you're done. Now you can download the file. As you can see, it will give you a zip. Go ahead and bring the zip to your desktop. Okay, now that the zip is in your desktop, make a new folder and call it whatever you want. Bring the zip into the folder and simply unzip the zip. I use 7-zip application, but you can also use Windows Extractor. Okay, as you can see, it will give you 9 different maps based on the size that you chose. Because I just made my Minecraft world and it is new, as you saw, I had the maps in order from 0 to 8. And that's why over here we have the same names over here. But if you already have made some maps from before and the description of maps are different, then you can simply rename the files to the descriptions of the new maps that you already have for your image. You can change it to 9, 70, 40 or whatever. But because my Minecraft world is new and I had never built a map before, I'm gonna put it on 8. Or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because it matches the name of the file or the maps. Okay, now open your word folder as I showed you before. Open data and you can see all the maps that you made over here. These have different files than this map, so you can simply just delete them and replace them with the new files that you just extracted. As you can see, you have all of the maps over here. You can close both folders. But if you have Minecraft already running, make sure that you close it and then relaunch the game. Okay, now that you are in Minecraft, open up your world. And as you can see the maps have changed. Okay, now that you are in the world, you can hold up the map and there we go. We have the picture. And I can simply place the pictures. Oh, oops. There was this one over here also, and that's it. And yeah, that's how you can get a picture in your single player world. But now let's start with servers. How you can do the same thing with the servers. The servers are a bit more different. If you have a server running on your PC, then it will have the same files as mine, which I'm gonna show you now. I use apexminecrafthosting.com in order to run my servers. It has basically the same files as a normal Minecraft server. Make sure to open your FTP file access. In Aternos, you can open files. Open the file that has your world's name on it. In Aternos should be world. And then from now it's the same thing. Press on data. In Aternos you also press on data. And as you can see over here, we have a list of maps that already have been created in my Minecraft server. In PK server there isn't any maps, so you need to make them from before. So as you can see, we have the folder ready. Now let's just boot up Minecraft and open my server. So now that you are in your server, go ahead and again make a 3x3 wall. As I said from before, it doesn't have to be 3x3. It can be 2x2, 1 block only, 4x4, 5x5. But the best size that I suggest is 3x3. Okay, now you need to place item frames all across the wall. Okay, now take your maps and make 9 maps. For me it is 9. If you have a 2x2 wall, you can make 4 maps. For now I need to make 9 maps. Okay, as you can see, here are the 9 maps that I have. They are in order: 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. I'm just gonna make them in order. Now that you have your maps ready, also memorize the description. They go from 82 to 90. Great. Okay, now I'm just gonna minimize Minecraft. Okay, now you can go ahead and choose a picture. Okay, over here I have a bunch of pictures of cats. If the wall that you have created is a square, aka 1, 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, if it is a square, then you also need a square image. If you want to go ahead and find square images faster on Google, go ahead on Tools, Size, Icon. And as you can see from here, you can see all the square images. But I already have another picture ready from before. It is this one. It's a square image and it is cool. Totally wear it for your school. Okay, now that you have the picture ready, you need to go to this site called MapArtCraft, as I mentioned before, link in description. Go ahead and upload the image. And as you can see from here, the image will be uploaded. Make sure that the mode is on data file. And then change the map size based on the block of your wall. For me it was 3x3, so I'm gonna change it to 3x3. Make sure that the better color is on. Also make sure that the presets are set to everything. Now just go ahead and download the zip. As you can see, the zip will be downloaded. I recommend bringing a zip to your desktop. Make a new folder, call it whatever you want, and bring the file or the zip into the folder. Now you just have to extract the file. I use 7-zip file extractor, but you can also use Windows built-in extractor. Now you can just delete the zip. As you can see over here, we have a list of different maps. Now you just need to go back to Minecraft and see the subtitle of the maps again. It goes from 82 to 90. So you need to rename these numbers from 82 to 90. Okay, as you can see, I changed the numbers by the subtitles of the maps. Okay, now that you have renamed all the folders, you can open your server and make sure that you stop your server. Okay, now that the server is off, go ahead and open the files again. Okay, open the data of your world again and go ahead and find the new maps. It goes from 82 to 90. These are the maps that we just created now. Okay, now just go ahead and delete the file. Okay, now that the files are deleted, again go ahead and open the data of the world. Okay, now just go ahead and upload the files that you just renamed. The process is the exact same thing on Ethermos. If you have the maps that you have created from before, delete them and upload the new maps into the datas of your Minecraft world. Okay, now that the files are uploaded, you can go ahead to your Minecraft server and then start the server. Meanwhile, you can just go ahead and open your Minecraft. Okay, now that you have the Minecraft booted up, go ahead and open your server. And as you can see, the maps that I'm holding will represent the picture that I had. And now I can just place them in order. It's a puzzle. Great. This will go here, this will go here apparently, this will go here, and boom. As you can see guys, you have the picture in a server. The process is the exact same thing for any server that you have in Minecraft. And yeah guys, so yeah, just go ahead, have some fun with this. You can make also rectangular shapes, but that's a whole different and difficult situation. But for now, just stick with squares in my opinion. You can go ahead and learn up how you can crop images in Minecraft, but it's totally your choice. And yeah, that's how you can get pictures in Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe guys. We are in a road to hit 500 subscribers. I'll do a face reveal then. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed. I will see you on the next one. Peace.